Yes! There you go, Chaso! You superstar! Today, Chase, Dad and I are at Blue Rock Lake seeing what we can catch with lures and bait. Rightio folks, now as I mentioned, we're at Blue Rock and currently all three of us are using bait. There are schools of redfin everywhere. We've caught countless redfin already. Dad caught a bass. There was some redfin just out here earlier. And Dad's got bite central all around him. Wherever he casts, fish are attracted to him. Let's see if we can hook into a few. We nearly did. Distance over there. Chase has just caught another redfin. That's what, his fifth? He is on absolute fire. I've got a paternoster, one worm to start with. Just gotta lob that out there. It's in a good 6 feet of water. And get a tight line going and wait for a nibble. Dad just, whoa! Dad just, whoa! Caught a redfin on the surface. How's about that? Is that your first ever surface fish?
No.
No? I've never seen a redfin caught on the surface. That's cool as.
I might need pliers.
Pliers? That's twice I've done that. How good's that? Got some help?
Possibly. We've got 9 out, 3 out.
There you go. See you, buddy. Off like a rocket. High five. Hey.
You ready?
Bass!
Bass.
It took me a little bit to catch him, but I got my first bass of the day. He's up on the first bass of the day. Rightio folks, lovely little bass. I'm going to get him unhooked and get him on his way. Oh, sorry buddy. Mate, you're trying to swim in grass. That's not how fish work. Come here. Alright. Just taking this while I was reeling it in. I've got not a clue what it is, but I'm guessing a redfin. No, it's a bass with something oh no, it's my sinker following it. It's my that's embarrassing. Alright, we were rigging up, getting ready to move, and old mate come along. Second bass of the day. Alright buddy, hooked right there. Alright, see you later mate. He swam off nice and slow, unlike the other one which I actually got a release footage on. It's blowing pretty hard. Now I don't know if you guys can hear me or not, but we just saw a freshwater crayfish. Ow!
Alright?
Yeah, I got myself with the hook. And that is a sign of a very healthy waterway. Oh no! We reckon Dad's just hooked into a big carp. We've seen them jumping under the weir wall just there. And he's just hooked into one and we've gotten snagged. Can you feel him kicking still? Think it up. I've got probably twice the weight now. I can cast a lot further than I could before. Got him.
Got him?
Yep. He's swimming towards me. He's still swimming towards me. Come on. What is it? It looks like a trout. Or is it a bass? I got a bass. Dad, bass. There we go. That's not what you hooked before.
Tell you what, mate, if I caught it with that little before with the bass, it's huge compared to that.
Yeah, if his bass, it'd be 10 times the size of mine if it was a bass. Alright, unhooked. See you later, mate. No! Oh, get him. Yes, he's got him. Go!
Got it, no, he's still there. Still there. He's back.
Hopefully it's a nicer one. Looks like a bass. That's a bass. You ripper. I told ya.
Oh, he swallowed the hook too.
Has he? Dad's little bass. See you later, mate. What up? Keep going, keep going. No, he didn't. Keep winding, keep winding. Wait, he's not in yet. The net's just there. Keep going. Hang on. Yeah, keep coming, keep coming. Hang on, Shrimp. Yeah, keep coming, that's it. That's the way. We reckon he's got a big carp on here.
Yeah, he's coming towards me.
He's swimming towards ya. Alright, get ready to lift and wind. Yeah, it's a big old carp.
Oh! Oh!
Alright, just be careful of these rocks. Alright, I got the net job. Yes! There you go, Chaso! You superstar! Alright, undo the baler. That'd be a 55 odd.
I think this is the carp you caught.
There you go, folks.
Jesus.
There's Chaso's carp. Kiss him. No, don't.
Kiss him.
Not carp. Don't kiss carp.
Need a photo.
Superstar. Alright, well, we better get it dispatched and measured. We're going back out. Chase has already started bragging from that carp, and I do not blame him one bit.
Aussie, I'm so smart, my brain has 2 brains.
Chase has just told me he's so smart, his brain has 2 brains. Got one! Whoa!